Okay, I am back. So 9 a.m. Um, so just a quick checking if I'm live. I'm gonna open my YouTube channel just to verify. Just checking if I'm live. It seems that I'm live. Yes. Okay, and I'm gonna check also if view full screen. Okay, I guess that I'm live. Yes. Anyways, okay. So nothing has changed that much. I think that we do have and it's not that I think we have the crude market opened already at 9 a.m. So there is an entry there, which is a valid entry. I'm gonna participate in this one. I'm gonna see if this one works or not. Let's see. It's gonna be a choppy day, so let's see if this entry in. I put an order right above this pivot here. Let's let me verify if we are in confluence with. It's a little bit risky because the previous high is right above us, and there's not that much momentum here. Let's see. It seems that it is reversing now, going down. Yeah, I'm going to take it out. Let's wait a little bit more. I still have a resting order right above that green brick. It is risky because we are below um, the previous high, which is 91.07, and we are right below the 90. So let's see. I'm checking the higher time frames. So one thing that I did additionally here, and hey, good morning, Lucky. I'm trading. Sorry if I don't see the chat all the time because I'm focusing on the charts. And remember, there is a 20 seconds delay in between my entries, and in between my entries and what you see in the screen. Okay, so here I have the ES. Okay, so this is the S&P 500, the ES mini. I do have also gold. Gold is this one up here in the top right corner. So this is gold, and this one is crude. So that is what I'm trading. And I do have this one, which is NQ. I do not trade NQ because that one is too volatile for me. But what I have here is NQ. Not trading this box here, but I'm trading these three, ES, gold, and crude. A little bit of pause in the in crude after the ghost pit opened. I said earlier that it was going to be a range day, I believe. But it's a valid setup in crude. So let's check the 30 minutes. Let me show the 30 minutes here. So we do have, an uptrend here. This one is trying to break to the upside in the 30 minutes. Higher time frame on that one. So we'll see if that one works. And if it doesn't, right? I mean, I lost already $190 in the first trade I made, which was gold. Trying to break right here, you see. So crude is moving back up again a little bit. It failed the order. You see there's an entry. Let's see if this one works. So there's the trigger here was this week out of this 34 moving average. Let's see if it gives me any profit this time. There's a resistance up here in the previous high. You see that PH that right there is that one is the previous high. Seems that it's reversing a little bit. I'm keeping a tight stop in case that this trigger doesn't work. It seems that doesn't have that much power to go. Typical on crude that reverses. I mean, it's run out of stops regularly. So it's good to have a tight stop in this. If it moves, fine. If it doesn't, then that's it. I'm in a loss in 7 ticks now. So you see, the um, I do have the Darvas indicator here. So broke the Darvas, came back, touched the 34 EMA, and then moved to the upside. So that is my play. Now it could go back down below this 9072, and if it does, then I'm out. Seems that ES is selling off a little bit, staying below the previous day low. That is the um, purple. I do have a target here at 9130. Let's see if it meets it. So time frames, I'm using Renko, and Renko is not related with time. So in the higher time frame, so I have $90 down in crude now. Okay, so in the higher time frames, I'm using the 30 minutes and the 240, just to give me an idea where the market is going. But in Renko, the setup in Renko in let's okay, I do have some profit now, $20. Let's see if this move holds. So let me check here. So here is the settings, right? So for tick trend, 10 in the offset and 20 reversal. Okay, so it seems that um, crude is going to take me out. Yeah, it's gonna be a range day. So if this one goes south, then probably I'm not gonna make any more trade. Yeah, it was. Um, it didn't work, so I was stopped. I'm gonna take this label off. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in my hands today. I think already trades, um, two bad trades. Let's see what's happening. Look at how choppy this one is. So I don't want to be chopped out anymore. So so in the so I look at this Renko chart, and it's only price movement. It is nothing else but price. It doesn't have time associated with it. And then the other one I use is this. So you see crude here. There was a little bit of early entry in here. So this is where I took. This is the point and figure. And this one here is 5-3. So you see there 5 and the box of 5 ticks and 3 as a reversal. So we're bullish in this. Moving average is moving to the upside, and the price action is moving. It's up all as well. There was an attempt here. This is the trade I took. There was an attempt here to go bullish, but it reversed. So it's choppy. So um, so if it breaks, the idea is that if this one breaks above this previous bar, so you have a bar here, if it breaks above this previous bar, then the most likely is going to keep going up. And if it reverses, it's going to paint three boxes or three circles in this case, and it's going to take me out. And it took me out there. So this is it's very close to what the Renko does in this size, in these boxes. Okay, so let's see. So I'm still bullish in crude, even though took me out. It's choppy though, so I'm neutral to bearish in uh, gold in the short term. Neutral mostly. Um, True. Yeah, I believe that they are open till 1. I was not going to trade today actually, but you know, we'll see. Let me see where we are. Yeah, as you see, there's a lot of people watching my channel. This is a new one, so it's a new. I normally don't stream. I do make um, some summaries at the end of the day, and it's also a pain because you have to record it and all of that. So I'm doing some um, live stream, and today was going to be it is going to be a just a testing. So if you like the video, and I put a like in the stream, and thank you guys for watching. So the other thing I look, and you know ES is moving to the upside. It's still below. Um, this would be a kind of somewhat a reversal. The higher time frame is still bearish, so that this would be a counter trend trade, and not I'm not going to participate on this move. Okay, so I was going to say that there's a couple of other things I watch. One is this. Let's take a look at this in Thinkorswim. So this is Thinkorswim platform, and I do have here the weekly, the monthly, the daily, um, and the 15 minutes. Okay, so you see that in the 15 minutes, ES is moving down, and it's trying to break to the upside and making a counter trend move, but it's still in the dailies moving down. So that one is ES. Crude, crude here is you know somewhat bullish in the daily, but there's still bearish momentum, right? So momentum is down. So this is going to it is not going to. So and it's typical for a choppy for choppiness, right? And we want to avoid choppiness. I'm at a trend uh, um, trader, so Yeah, and you see here, it's moving up, but it's not, it doesn't have that much momentum. These parts are still very, very low. So today is going to be a very low day, I would say, or very slow day. It's 9:20, 10 minutes for the market to open. Okay, the other one is gold. Gold here, it's extended in the daily, right? And in the 15 minutes is bearish now. So that's why I said that it is neutral to bearish in gold. Um, there was a very nice movement the last couple of weeks here. And the other one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin here, bought it again here in that arrow there when it broke to the upside, but then came back, and so I sold it when it went below the 30 minutes. I sold it right there in this bar, right below that one at 4,300, something like that. And then it continues to come down. So I'm out of it until goes above the 30 moving average again. And it has a nice reaction here in the last 15 minutes, but I'm not participating on this. Um, you see here is in the 50 in the monthly is in the 50 retracement from this high to this low. And in the weekly, it's also in the 50% retracement. It's below this channel here, so most likely, well, I don't want to speculate on this, but it could go down, could go lower. Um, we'll see. To be bullish again needs to go above this high. Not that much movement. You have ES breaking to the upside off of this double top right here, but um, it is still moving down. So anything here would be a counter trend trade. Crude moving up again. There's a double top right here when I took the trade and reversed on me right there. So these red lines here. This is the opening range. Um, so here, so market opens at 9 a.m. for crude. So from 9 to 9:30, I have this opening range. So it's still in the opening range, bouncing out of this 200 moving average. Just sitting on my hands, watching. I'm not doing anything now. That was actually a good bounce entry out of the week. However, the momentum is not helping. So but it's moving. Gold is moving. I mean, crude is moving. It's right below the previous high again. So it's gonna take some good effort to go bullish from here. We'll see. There's a double bottom right here um, in in the Qs in NQ, um, and ES is retracing. Yeah, broke below. There's this double bottom right here. Now to the 200 inside the cloud. Seems that NQ wants to go bearish, triggering an entry right there. We'll see. Very choppy. Bounce of the 200 in a squeeze. Very choppy. Double bottom in gold here. Yes, going back down. I mean, NQ. Crude going back down as well. So, in the range. Yeah, I made a couple of trades today. Both of them were negative, so I'm out. Especially because I don't, and I said that probably the market was going to be very choppy today, and it is. Look at this. So up, down, up, down, up, down, and nothing, right? It's not moving. We'll see. Now it's going back up, gold, and crude is going back down. So, yeah, nothing to do here. I guess that I'm gonna cut it short today. The main idea today was to test um, the live stream, um, make sure that everything works. I'll be back tomorrow at 7 a.m. And early. I cut it short because I work after 8:30 to 9, so I don't have that much time to. I cannot focus on this one. I do some trades during the day, but if they are very normally in the afternoon, I don't do anything. But during the day, in the morning, up until 11, I watch the market, and if I see something good, then I take it. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm cutting it short today, and if stay safe and be careful with the trades today. Crude is NQ is going down. Okay, thank you so much for watching.